Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, iStellenbosch sidedela istriker sabo laphana uMujela bafethu. Bathi manje bastopile ukujima ne-senior team laphana umfana angajoina noma yiphi team of his choice. But-ke kunama rules obvious wakhona. Bafuna ukuthi bathole imali kuye umfana. Yes bayamdedela but they are placing him on sale ngoJanuary ukuthi if khona i-team emfunayo izomthenga. So uMujela bafethu dala afunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs for iminyaka. I wanna take you back to istory saka Mujela ne-Kaizer Chiefs cause Kaizer Chiefs iyatatazela kwesinye isikhathi cause umfana i-Kaizer Chiefs yaqala yamdiscover that time i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala ne-Casrick Stars. It was i-Nedbank Cup umfana bedlala laphana ku-National First Division. Kaizer Chiefs ya-approacha yabuza ngumfana ukuthi umfana available izinto ezinjalo, yabonisa ngempela i-interest. But Kaizer Chiefs azange imthole umfana. Kusho ukuthi they didn't do i-follow up ukuthi bamfune aggressively. Umfana wajoin i-TS Galaxy noma sedlala ku-TS Galaxy still bene-interest, beyisasekhona i-interest from i-Kaizer Chiefs yomfana. But even nalapha imove azange materialize. Manje nangu ku-Stellenbosch asazi ukuthi basamfuna noma kwenzakalani, but i-player balifune for iminyaka since around Nedbank Cup 2022 or early 2023. Yeah, lapho early 2023 bebamfuna. Manje siku 2025 iStellenbosch sithi umfana available. So kulele kuwo wonke ama-team bafethu amfunayo umfana ambhekile ukuthi ahamba ayosubmit i-offer ku-Stellenbosch. Yabona njengoba bamdedela kanje ngeke adure bafethu, bazomdedela ngeprice ephansi because of ba-desperate ukukesha in for umfana. But kunama-complications. I think kunama-behavior womfana ku-Stellenbosch. In fact, I know they can't just place him kanje cause kunezinto ezipersonal ezinye engizaziyo about umfana, kune-behavior nokuwuphatha kwabo laphana eCape Town. But ngesingene kakhulu kulezo zinto lezo bafethu because of wanna focus ku-positive things angithi. Kaizer Chiefs-ke is it isikhathi esi-perfect ukuthi bamsayine umfana na noma bahambe basubmit lo 4 million. I think iStellenbosch isoyithatha leyo mali leyo njengoba bengishilo ukuthi iStellenbosch si-desperate bafethu ukukesha in for umfana. But desperate ngenye indlela because bafuna ukumhambisa kahle kahle, bafuna ukumchitha ukuthi bamrelease mahhala, but bayarealize no, they can cash in because umfana isasekhona i-contract laphana ku-Stellenbosch. So ujoine iStellenbosch 2024 from i-TS Galaxy. i-TS Galaxy nayo ujoine 2023 yasuka laphana ku-Casrick Stars, ahlala nje just one season ku-TS Galaxy. But yeah, manje ulokhunjana uzoba well, ngeke ngisho ukuthi uzoba uyi-free agent because it's not for free, but in a way u-free ukuthi ajoine nanoma yiphi team. Kusho ukuthi i-team but-ke le team lezomfuna serious kumele i-submit i-offer ku-Stellenbosch. But wait, there's something I wanna say. Kaizer Chiefs beyimfuna umfana but yena uke wakhuluma public bafowethu, cabanga ugijimiswa i-Kaizer Chiefs ithi yakufuna and then uthi iphupho lakhe yena ufuna ukudlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. Ikhona into enje bafowethu, asibeni fair. You can't be wanted by Kaizer Chiefs yakugijimisa wena uthi ngifuna mina iphupho lami ukudlala iMamelodi Sundowns. Make it make sense. Ayenzi sense lento lena bafowethu at all, ayenzi nje sense. So there's no way kusho ukuthi uyabadelela laba be-Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs akumelanga imgijimisa umfana or kumele babeka ama-emotions wabo aside. But njengoba adlala i-striker, ukwazi ukudlala i-striker, ukwazi ukudlala nakuma-wing because washaya igoli elihle against Orlando Pirates. But mawubheka laphana Kaizer Chiefs bane-striker ey'ningi, even nakuma-department of ama-wing baningi kakhulu abantu laphana bafowethu because kuma-wing khona ovele maningi kakhulu bafowethu ama-player angakadlali laphana, to be honest, maningi. So yeah, I don't think isikhathi esi-right for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi imsayine umfana. I-squad already bane-squad sabantu abaningi kakhulu bafowethu, but-ke we don't know. Sobona ngayo i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi yona icabangani. But uKaizer Motaung Junior, i-sporting director Kaizer Chiefs, uthe we cannot rule out ukuthi bangasayina abantu January, but uthe yena ngemakuvula njalo bahlezi bafuna ukusayina ama-player eda i-depth ku-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs ngoJanuary makuvula i-transfer market, or bazohlala phansi during i-FIFA break le noma i-AFCON, bahlale phansi babone ukuthi bashoda kuphi, banga-improve i-squad sabo kuphi. So they always wanna sign players maybe mababona ukuthi umfana available for free well, not really for free, but for i-discount enkulu because of sebayamchitha laphana ku-Stellenbosch, maybe bangamlanda umfana, but hayi woza ngaphi eNaturena asazi ngempela, asazi, we don't know. We just have to wait for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukubona ukuthi izo-react-a kanjani. Ngoba already njengoba kuphuma iy'ndaba zokuthi umfana o-available, i-team abazoyicabanga abantu i-Kaizer Chiefs, but at the same time i-Kaizer Chiefs hayi ukuthi maybe yamgijimisa. Asazi ukuthi ama-disappointment we-Kaizer Chiefs between u-Kaizer Chiefs nomfana ukuthi bokuyini. Umfana aze akhulume e-public ukuthi yena ufisa ukudlalela iMamelodi Sundowns nokurepresent iMamelodi Sundowns. Ziyakhala. What a player though, what a player. Iplayer eli-good kakhulu bafethu, eli-exciting, elaphazamiswa nje ama-injuries. Yabona ngaphandle kwaleya injury yakhe long ayibeza kahle kakhulu umfana. One of the standout performers. Une-confidence, una-everything nje oyicabangayo noma moyifunayo eplayeni mombheka. But to be honest, since abuyile ku-injury, especially this season akakabi fruitful laphana ku-Steelers for yena bafethu. Izinto azihambi kahle, so akusaseyile player leli bebalifuna ku-Kaizer Chiefs a season or 2 seasons ago. Akusiyilo le player leli at all bafethu, akusiyilo. So is it too late ukuthi maybe umfana bamsayine laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or kusase-right ukuthi bamsayine, isikhathi sisavuma ukuthi bamsayine? Asazi ngempela, cause mawubheka uyi-striker yena ukuba yi-striker, but i-goal record lakhe laphana ku-Betway Premiership or ebholeni lase-South African Professional, udlale ku-TS Galaxy udlala amagame awu-34 washaya 7 goals. Ku-Stellenbosch usadlala amagame awu-24, ku-career yakhe ku-Stellenbosch ushaya amagoli awu-6, une-assist eyodwa. So is he the one for i-Kaizer Chiefs? Nah, mina ngicabanga ukuthi it's too late to be honest. Nanokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inabadlali abaningi laphana phambili. But-ke there's nothing wrong ukubhifa i-squad sakho ukuthi uloke like siba more advanced, sikhula siba sikhulu i-squad se-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngibone u-goalkeeper lo befunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs, uNwabali, u-goalkeeper wase-Nigeria bafethu, wayefunwa i-Kaizer Chiefs. Isaka loya muntu loyo uyadlisa, unama-moments wakhe okudlisa, but guess what, I was impressed ngaye kuma-penalties. Ngabona ukuthi okay, there's something about yena in terms of ama-penalty, uyakwazi ukuwavimba ama-penalty bafethu. And sibone abamba noRobla laphana ku-Betway Premiership. Siyazi ukuthi inkinga yakhe unama-mistake amakhulu, overconfident, egcine enzana nama-mistake unnecessary. So Kaizer Chiefs, they don't need u-goalkeeper osazokwenza amaphutha amaningi. Siyazi ukuthi they wanna sign u-goalkeeper, vele they are desperate for u-goalkeeper laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke akumelanga babe desperate baze basayine uNwabali, cause uzoza nge-contract enkulu, ngesalary enkulu, but-ke uthola ukuthi uzokwenza ama-mistake wakhe lawa esimazi ngawo. Uthola ukuthi i-advantage yakhe nje enkulu ukuthi uyakwazi ukuvimba ama-penalty, but I don't think it would be a good signing for i-Kaizer Chiefs, to be honest. I don't. O-goalkeeper bebabheke ukuthi bangajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ulo goalkeeper weSikhukhune United, ulo goalkeeper weYanga, ulo goalkeeper we-Asante. So o-goalkeeper aba-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs beba-expected ukuthi okay, maybe bangabasayina cause already bakhulumile nabo, but-ke kusho ukuthi the negotiations and izinto ezinjalo, or inquiry yabo iphelele kwi-inquiry, they didn't even begin ngama-negotiations ukuthi bafune o-goalkeeper, because of once i-performance kaPeterson yadipha yaphansi, manje u-confidence, everything is in order, but once yadipha yaphansi bazobheka bani ozoba save. I remember bangikhuluma ngayo lento le, bathi abantu uNtwari, uReady, whatever. Yeah, when you don't play for almost a year, you get an opportunity to play, where are you mentally? Yabo, that's the nkinga of the problem. And-ke balimele o-goalkeeper abawu-2 Kaizer Chiefs, they are forced ukuthi batrainise umfana manje ubukwena laphana. NgoJanuary maybe bangathi uNwabali asisamfuni vele, siyazi ukuthi makuphela isizini or so bazomreleasa, so abaye all out bazame ukuthola i-quality goalkeeper one-experience enkulu and okwaziyo ukuvimba indaba yokudlala, or bazovele bathi babhiliva kuma-youngsters wabo, cause yabona o-goalkeeper laphana ku-DDC team bafethu bagude kakhulu, uBantakalani nalo Mokoena, uKabe. Okay, but yeah, ulo ngeke ngimbali ubunhle because of sekunesikhathi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi nje akayithole opportunity. Yeah, ngifuna ukuyibamba la, but-ke umbuzo wami before ngibamba bafethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyadinga na ukusayina u-goalkeeper? Do they need u-goalkeeper? Bane-backup e-right? Because at the moment manje i-backup yabo uVuma, is he okay ukuthi akwazi ukuba i-backup? i-backup le abazokwazi ukuyithemba ukuthi this one is the one. Ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Kune-link lana engiyifakile ngaphansi bafethu ukuthi ningaya ku-WhatsApp nijoyine Inkuli Soccer i-WhatsApp group. Kula sizokhuluma khona ngezinye izinto zebhola. Danko.